Okay, so let us now proceed with more examples of rational exponents. And then, okay, so for the first set of examples, the instruction is to simplify each expression, then assume that the variables are positive. Okay, so that means the x variables are positive. And then express your answer such that only positive exponents occur. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So, from the properties of radicals, we can say that this is equal to negative 32 fifth root, right? And then raised to negative 4. Okay, so if we do that, if we evaluate this expression inside, we will get, since the fifth root of negative 32 is negative 2, you will get negative 2 raised to negative 4. Then that will be equal to 1 all over negative 2 raised to 4, which is equal to 1 over 16. Okay. Then, let's proceed to the second one. So what property of radicals can we apply here? So the property that we can apply here is this one. N is equal to MNA. Okay? So it's the product of the indices. Okay, so how can we answer this? So since we know that the default index of the square root is 2, so we can then say that this is equivalent to 3 times 2, 125. So that will be the sixth root of 125. Then we can write this further and say that 125 is 5 cubed, right? And then we can then rewrite this as 5 raised to 3 over 6, which is equal to 5 raised to 1 half, which is also equal to the square root of 5. Square root of 5. Okay. Let's proceed to the third one. So this is a little bit more medyo mas matrabaho. Okay. So as you can see here, only this one has been raised to 1 half. Okay, so the best thing to do is to simplify this expression first. And so let's rewrite 2 over 3. Right? So let's distribute this exponent. So x raised to negative 2 times 1 half, and then y raised to 1 half. Okay, so 2 thirds y, that will be negative 2 over 2, that will be negative 1. And then y raised to 1 half. Okay, so if we apply the law of exponents here, we will have x 2 over 3. Let's rewrite it first so that it will be clear. 1 half. Okay, so applying the law of exponents, this is equal to 2 over 3 minus 1, right? We just add the exponents multiplied by 1 plus 1 half. So this will be equal to 2 thirds minus 1. That will be x raised to negative 1 third. And then multiplied by y raised to 1 plus 1 half, that's 3 over 2. That will be y raised to 3 over 2 all over x raised to 1 third. Okay, so that is our final answer for that one. Then for the last example for this video, let's rewrite this first. The best thing to do again is to rewrite this first from the law of exponents again. 9 x squared y raised to 1 third raised to 1 half all over x raised to 1 third and 1 half. Okay, so let's distribute the 1 half. Okay, so 9, this is 9 raised to 1 half, then x 2 times 1 half, then y or 1 third times 1 half. And then we have x raised to 1/3 times 1/2, and then y raised to 1/2. Okay, this will then be equal to, what is 9 raised to 1/2? That is 3. Then x raised to 2/2, that is 1, so that is just x. Then we have y raised to 1/3 times 1/2, that's 1/6. Then x raised to 1/6 also, and y raised to 1/2. Okay, so from the law of exponents, we can subtract this exponent. So 3 multiplied by x times 1 minus 1/6. Right? And then y raised to 1/6 minus 1/2. Okay, so this will be 3 times x raised to 5/6, and then y, this will be equal to, let's evaluate it, 6, no? And then 1 minus, that will be 3. So we have here negative 2/6. Then, which is also equal to negative 1/3. So we can rewrite this as 3x raised to 5/6 all over y raised to 1/3. Okay, so this is our final answer for this exam. Okay, so just always remember that in rational exponents, the law of exponents still apply. Okay, so they're just in rational form, but they're the same laws. Then you also have to add in the properties of the radicals. So that's all you need to solve these types of problems. Okay, so see you in the next video.